Hey guys, this is Chris with CricketUsers.com and the US Tech channel. On the left, I have a Samsung Galaxy Note 2. On the right, it's an AT&T Galaxy Note 2. I traded in my HTC Droid DNA because I found myself actually using my AT&T phone more, but my primary number is on Verizon. I wanted to keep it that way, so I went ahead and gave my girl the AT&T Note 2, and I just switched to this. Of course, coming from the DNA, I did give up wireless charging, but I will have a wireless charging install video. Got the pad from someone here in the States, so it should be here shortly. We'll show you how that works with a variety of QI or Qi, I think it's pronounced, chargers. Anyways, these are both run CyanogenMod 10.1. I kind of wanted to show you the differences in the pixel density. I think we're running like 370 or 270 or 280 on this device, and we're running the stock on this, which I think is around 320. But basically, I wanted to show you how much more screen you get. This is actually run Apex launcher, so it's going to change things up a little bit, but overall you see we can actually make better use of the bigger screen right here, because most Note 2 owners will probably find yourself in the same situation as I am, where I didn't just get a bigger device than the S3 because I'm blind. I need to see things a lot better. I actually wanted to have more usable space. Well, with the jump, actually no change in resolution between the S3 and the Note 2. We really didn't get that. Everything just got a lot bigger, as you can see with them side by side. Okay, of course, CyanogenMod 10.1, a lot of customizations available. By default, it doesn't even show the quick toggles up top. I have them limited to 5 on mine. You can see you can add more, and you can scroll back and forth right there. Of course, you can individually dismiss notifications. You get the cool preview when you take a screenshot and whatnot. Okay, so when you're in TouchWiz, taking a screenshot usually consists of, I think, volume up and home button, I want to say. Let's see here. On this ROM, let's see, let's get that off. Alright, volume down and power button at the same exact time, and you'll go ahead and get a screenshot. You'll see the preview there. Well, not very interesting there. Let's try to take another one. Alright, a little bit better of a screenshot there to show you a little bit of a preview. When you get MMS, it'll be pretty much the same thing. You'll get a little preview. So that's a little change if you're coming from TouchWiz to do the screenshot. I just love CyanogenMod 10. So many things you can do customization wise. It just looks great, feels great. You can keep up with the latest nightlies at get.cm. Of course, with this device, you'll be browsing for the i605. Mainly, I threw a launcher on this one because when you do change the pixel density, you'll notice there's a border right here, and that border seems to get worse where you can actually place icons. But with Apex, we can actually make full use of that space and start stacking on more icons because we have more real estate. So if you do want to do customizations, go ahead and go into your settings, and pretty much right there, interface, you'll have all of that right there. Also, with this CDMA device, you can flash it over to Cricket Wireless. Speaking of flashing, be sure to sign the petition at whitehouse.gov to help try to revoke, or at least just bring it into the limelight, that we do not like the government kind of interfering and not allowing us to unlock these devices or flash them to other carriers. But if you are flashing this device and got it before the deadline date, you can go into mobile networks and then CDMA subscription. If you're flashing it to another CDMA carrier, you go right all the settings to NV. So you want to change the subscription to NV right there. Makes it a little bit easier when you're flashing this device. This has a Tech21 case, which I'll talk about in a separate review. It's a TPU case with extra padding in the sides that actually winds up making it a little bit thicker. I mean, you think usually a TPU case is pretty form-fitting, but in this case it adds actually a lot of width and height to it. This one's a little bit narrower, but sits a little bit higher. There's actually a CDO case packaged in the PT name for Best Buy stores. It does have a little kickstand on it, and I'll probably do a review about that one as well. But in general, I just wanted to look at CM10.1 on the Verizon Samsung Galaxy Note 2. So please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps me out, lets me do this. Usually come home from work and don't want to do anything, but just like to show you guys this stuff if you're searching for it. Alright, thanks a lot.